You can apply tags to your Azure resources to logically organize them by categories. Each tag consists of a name and a value. For example, you can apply the name environment and then the value as production or development for your resources. After creating your tags, you associate them with the appropriate resource. In this case, I've got a storage account here, which is my resource, and then for this, I can apply certain tags. If you notice, I already have a tag here called as ms resource-usage, which is the name, and its value is Azure-Cloud Shell. But this really does not tell me whether it belongs to a particular business unit or production, development, or what its cost center is. To do so, I can go to tags and then start adding my own tags here. Let's say I'm going to call it as environment, and then its value is production. I can also apply certain cost center to it and then give a cost center name as 412, which could be your internal cost unit number. You can also define what the internal business unit is and then call that business unit name as app BU or something. So you can have as many tags as possible. And with this, you will be organizing your resources and then put categories to them. With tags in place, you can retrieve all the resources in your subscription with that tag name and value. This means that you can retrieve a related resource with different resource groups. I'll click on save to save these values for my storage account. One of the best uses for tags is to group billing data. So if you navigate to your resource group and go to that particular resource group, there will be tags available for this. It is very beneficial for specifically billing purposes. That means that you can download the usage CSV for the services. The tags appear in the tags column. There are a few things to consider about tagging. One thing is that every resource or even a resource group can have a maximum of 15 tags or key value pairs or name value pairs. Tags applied to the resource group are not inherited to the resources in that resource group. So as you see, I've got a resource group here, and if I start applying the key value pair to this resource group, it will not be applicable to all the resources inside this resource group. You can tag your resources with the help of PowerShell, CLI, or even with the help of any program or APIs that you may want to customize.